Hi, welcome to my FDSA workshop, Tugging with Toys, How to Create a Thinking Reinforcement with Tugging. My name is Whitesel and thanks for attending. First step, building joy and motivation for the toy and motivation of tugging and interacting with you. One toy, okay? What does the dog like? I pause because this is supposed to be enjoyable to your dog. Overall, the dog needs to feel confident that if they try just a little bit harder, they can beat you. I'm reinforcing the calm grip there, okay? And this is him pushing, but you can see that I've got my hand on his chin and we're sort of hanging out. So what do you do when your dog says, I need a moment, okay? You let them. Don't try to coax them to drop it quickly or to come back or things like that. Let them show you the information, assuming you have your game skills.